So today is November 30th. It's the last day of November, Saturday after Thanksgiving. And today I'm just taking a quick look at everybody. It is unusually hot today. I believe the high is around 85. It was 70 yesterday, a little bit cooler on actually Thanksgiving Day. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon and the sun came out earlier today, so as you can see it's probably over 90 degrees in here. It's hot. So luckily we have this greenhouse, you can vent it, but looks like everybody is doing really good. I think they've been in here for a good month now, but everybody's doing good. Some of them are growing, like these loquats right here. I put these in this container 2 weeks ago, I think. Actually longer than that. I think it's been 3 weeks because I remember I didn't put a tray under here. I'm going to need to do that soon. But this is all new growth right here. So they're loving the heat. I'm also trying to use as much space as possible in here. So I got these hanging baskets made of jute. Oh, this is an little elm tree. This is new growth. This part that I'm touching and right here, I put it in a new pot last week. I separated a loquat out of there. I don't know where it is. It's in the back. I separated the loquat from the container and also put it in a deeper container. So all this is new growth. So the dragon fruits are down here. They had the light on them for a while just to get some sunlight. Bigger ones are just hanging down here. I wanted to get them away from the walkway so every time I come in here they're not brushing against me because they're prickly enough to hurt me now. I have to wear gloves, I have to another shirt, another pair of pants because I go home and find needles everywhere. Microscope, you can't see them. So they're doing okay. Soursops right here with new growth. Loquats, new growth. That's nice. So this really light fuzzy leaves, all new growth. Lychees are back there. I'm still trying to get away from this well, this is fine, but the stuff underneath there just not getting sunlight. Still working on that. Yeah, Tammy's doing pretty good. Losing a few leaves here and there, just like individual ones, just like this. You know, they're falling off like that, and of course you see there's new growth, new buds forming, especially on tamarind and indica. So they actually grew new segments while being in here. So it's just warm enough to maintain them. This branch right here has new growth on it, so looking really good. The dragon fruits, that's new growth from being in here. That's new growth. There's a little bud here, a little bud on the top, that's new. So they're all doing good. Just need to keep watering here. I need to try to put a tray under here so it captures the water a little bit better. These guys are being watered only once a week now. In the back are the loquats. So last week I took all the big loquats out and put them in this purple container. I discovered what is called air pruning. So what you do, we'll look at this one because I did it for this group right here. Hope it's not too dry. It's probably too dry. So air pruning, what you do is get a container that has holes in it. This is weed blocker, so it's able to breathe. Water is able to get through it. You get a container with holes in it. You use a liner, put the soil in, and basically when the plant is growing, the root will grow towards the holes or towards the open spaces and dry out. And then that will tell the plant to make some more roots. So in the end, it basically prunes the roots as they search for nutrients, and each of the roots will have different appendages or points on it. But it basically makes the root grow thicker, larger, stronger, rather than wrapping around and wrapping around in the container trying to look for nutrients. So this is one thing you can do with new plants. I don't think it's best to start plants like this. This is what I'm doing. These are tamarinds in here. It's probably not the best to start that way, but definitely when they're up and out, established like this, you can definitely do air pruning. So I did air pruning with the largest loquats that are back there. And I got a picture of them last week of how I filled the container and how I arranged them. So there were 5 in there, and you know, they have their own little space now. So I hope to do that with more plants. I hope to do that definitely in the springtime. I don't know why I'm getting all these springtime ideas in fall, almost winter. But I do intend on doing air pruning. I intend on doing air layering, especially for our peach trees since they're overgrown this year. I might do that to our fig trees, just a bunch of other stuff. Definitely a lot of springtime plans in the making. And then I might do air pruning with these other containers. Definitely giving them some time to grow between now and then. But it's all in the works. There's a lot more things to put in here and a lot more things to do. I feel comfortable enough to start seeds in here. Just don't know where. It's probably just on this table right here. But yeah, I feel comfortable enough to start seeds. Probably not seeds that are small. I wouldn't put small seeds in here yet. But like tamarinds, I might have some citrus soon. But just a bunch of other seeds. Yeah, this greenhouse has definitely helped out. They'll all be in here until at least April. So it's just begun, hasn't officially gotten cold yet. Like I said, it's unusually hot today. It's 85. It's pretty cold, not too cold 2 days ago, maybe in the 60s, but it's not winter yet here in Texas. A cold front's supposed to blow in tonight. So this is it's warm, which is nice, but don't want to burn anybody. But it's proven every effort, every cent, every setup, proven pretty good. So I'm really happy with this greenhouse.